We're in the mountains of Tennessee, and this 22-plus acre property sits at the end of a dead-end road bordering national forest land. If privacy, mountain views, and direct access to nature are at the top of your list, this property delivers all three. Set on more than 22 acres of mixed open and wooded land, the setting feels peaceful and secluded, while offering endless possibilities for recreation, gardening, animals, or simply enjoying the outdoors. The property's location is a major highlight. Bordering protected national forest land, it offers immediate access to hiking, wildlife, and the kind of natural surroundings that are increasingly difficult to find. The long-range mountain views create an incredible backdrop in every season. Outside, the land is designed for both relaxation and functionality. A large yard and dedicated fire pit area create the perfect gathering space for evenings under the stars, while the mix of open pasture and wooded acreage provides flexibility for future use. Inside, the home carries a warm and inviting mountain lodge feel. Wood ceilings and exposed beams add character throughout, creating a space that feels connected to the surrounding landscape from the moment you walk in. One of the standout features is the dramatic 2-story kitchen, which opens to the upper level and serves as the heart of the home. With ample cabinetry, a center island, and an open flow into the living spaces, it's designed for both everyday comfort and entertaining. The bright family room and sunroom area are filled with natural light, thanks to multiple sliding glass doors that frame the mountain scenery outside. These spaces create a constant connection between indoor living and the peaceful surroundings. Additional features include updated finishes, a comfortable layout, and a flexible lower-level living area that can easily function as a den, recreation room, guest space, or additional entertaining area. Outdoor living continues with a large front deck, side deck, and attached one-car carport, giving you multiple places to relax and take in the views. This is the kind of Tennessee mountain property that combines privacy, usable acreage, and direct access to nature into one complete retreat at the edge of the national forest.